We are in the north of Spain, in the Principality of Asturias. Here tourism is very important, but also cattle raising. These are our typical cows. They are called vaques rosies. It means red cows, and it's easy to see why. The name of this area is Llanes, Llanes County. Llanes means flat, but it's not flat at all. It's only a bit more flat than the rest of Asturias. It's an area between the mountains and the sea, the Cantabrian Sea and Picos de Europa mountains. In front of you, in the middle of the image, you can see Picos de Europa. Two different areas of Picos de Europa. On the right, the western area, in the center, central area, and also on the left, a bit of the eastern area. And of course, speaking about the mountains, behind the very, very high mountains of Picos de Europa, only 20 kilometers away from the sea. So, in the same day, you can go to the mountains in the morning and go to the sea in the afternoon. In the middle of that, you can stay for a while in Llanes. Llanes is a very nice town with a nice harbor on the Cantabrian Sea. Because of the trees, it's not possible to see the coast, but the coast is there, just behind the trees. And our old friends, the red cows of Asturias. They usually live in the mountains alone. Here they are in the prairie, in private fields, but many of them are in the mountains during summer, the whole summer, from spring to fall